out with little man this morning. We're finally going a direction that the wind is also, so I'm blocking it. It's pretty windy out here this morning, and it's lovely and cool. I'll bet it's in the 60s, and so we're out having a very nice drive. And we're about a week away from being able to reset him and start to get things straightened out. He was outgrowing his shoes and needing different angles and needing different lengths on his hind feet than his front feet. And when we first put shoes on him, good boy, there was a hole back there and he avoided it. When we first put shoes on him, let's walk. Walk. When I first put shoes on him, he had been pawing with his front feet, and so his front feet were very short. So his hind feet were a lot longer, so he hit something. So we're looking forward to getting that cleaned up. And I'm going to let him choose where we go from here. So we're going to be going crossways to the wind, so this is going to be a real short video. Have a great one, everyone.